Pinterest is one of the best platforms to get more eyeballs and traffic to your website, and quite honestly, I think it's a little bit underrated as well. According to SimilarWeb, the platform generated over 4.5 billion traffic per month to external websites in 2020. I'm pretty sure that Pinterest has a lot of value to share for your online business and a great platform to get more exposure to your products and content. So because of that, I started a brand new Pinterest account from zero, not knowing much about Pinterest, and I got this massive spike on my engagement, views, and pin clicks. And before you start being skeptical, no, I did not run any ads, and I was not saying, oh, just publish high quality content over time and then it will work out. No, for this specific account, I had one tactic that I was thinking it could work, and voila, it worked out. So in this video, I'm going to show you my exact process, how I got this done, and I'm going to show one extra tip, how to boost your Pinterest marketing using this specific time frame in November. So let's get into the video. So for this video, I'm using only ChatGPT and Canva, so pay close attention. First, go to your niche and think about content ideas that includes only a plain text and some design. This way, you avoid having to have high quality stock image photos, and you don't need to take pictures for yourself, because quite honestly, I don't know how to take pictures. Let me give you a few examples here. If you're in a lifestyle niche, you might want to talk about essential things to pack in Asia. Or if you're in a spiritual niche, you might want to write about powerful self-love quotes. Or if you're in an education niche, you might want to talk about time management tips for medical students. And once you have chosen your topics, let's pop this into Pinterest, because this is the time that you test whether your ideas actually make sense and the people who are looking for these ideas are expecting photos or they are expecting a listicle, etc. So I'm gonna go with the time management tips for medical students, and I popped it into Pinterest to see what are the search results, and they are perfect. All these search results here include a plain text with an image, or not even an image, it's just text alone, which is perfect for what we want to do. So let's go ahead and ask ChatGPT the exact same thing. What are these super simple time management tips for medical students? Here is the prompt I used for this example. Okay, now it's time to pop all these answers into Canva. Go to your Canva account or start a Canva account. It's very simple, and pick at any template that you like that is in the story size, like an Instagram story size, or you can find Pinterest pins as well. And once you're done designing a very simple post with just text and designs, perhaps you want to put on your company logo, then you are gonna export it as a PNG file for the best resolution. However, here are the few tips before you guys start designing. Pick a very simple font so people can read it. Second, make sure that your background is light. And the final tip for design, I'm not a designer, but the best tips for you is to keep a nice space between the words and the images. Other than that, play around with your brand colors, add your company logos, and make it very eye-catching based on the template that you choose or your imagination. And once you upload the Pinterest, this is the fun part. This is when you do all the keyword stuff. I'm not saying keyword stuffing because it has a negative connotation, but honestly, you do want to use the keyword in the title and the description and the hashtags. So for example, in this case, the title I would give for this post would be 10 best time management tips for medical students. And in the description, I would be very descriptive, saying things like, here are the 10 best time management tips for medical students to prepare for exams and ace their degrees. And don't forget to include hashtags as well that is highly related to your industry, your niche, and the topic. So for example, time management hacks, study hacks, and medical student tips. Those will be very useful. From somebody who comes from an SEO background, I think if you put the time management tips to the beginning of your paragraph and then keep it descriptive, that is not gibberish and it still makes sense, that's like the best combination. Now create a process out of it and then give it to your assistants or give it to your team and see your Pinterest getting more engagement, clicks, and pins. Honestly, if you think about this, the reason why people click to these images more because it provides instant information for them, right? It keeps the people longer on the platform, and it gives actual value for your readers. And the best thing is, it took you only 5 minutes to make it on ChatGPT and Canva. And here's one more extra tip for your Pinterest marketing if you're a small business or a website owner. Right now is the beginning of November, so if you have not done these, start creating your holiday content today. So anything that is related to Thanksgiving, Black Friday, Christmas, New Year's outfit, New Year resolution, or transformation to a better self, because that's what January is about apparently, should be on your to-do list today. Use this mini tutorial to create as many useful content for Pinterest with your branding and with your messaging that is linked to your blog post. So this way you get more eyeballs to your website and more conversions to your products and get more sales. Okay, one more thing, because I'm an oversharer. Try out AppSumo if you want some Canva templates done for you, because I just recently started browsing on AppSumo and I realized there's so many cool stuff on it. Not just softwares, but Canva templates and courses. So I think it's a great platform to browse on. I'm not an affiliate to that, but I just found it very super useful. Have fun shopping. Thank you so much for staying this far into the video. My name is Annie and I'm a digital marketer and content creator here on YouTube. I started a brand called The Aspiring CMO, initially just as a podcast, but as you see, it had grown into a YouTube channel as well. On my podcast, I interview successful chief marketing officers, influencers, and marketers to talk about marketing and share their ideas how we, you and me, can become better marketers every day. I have new episodes every Thursday. If you liked and enjoyed this video, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Tune in on Thursdays, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!